Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best kitten wipes is probably one of the most essential items for any new kitten owner. Keeping your feline friend clean is crucial for their health and happiness, and these wipes make the task easy and convenient. Whether it's a quick cleanup after a playful romp or a gentle touch-up between baths, these wipes are designed to keep your kitten fresh and comfortable. Number 5. Best Pet Supplies Dog Wipes, Cleaning and Deodorizing. These dog wipes are designed for deep cleaning. They effectively remove dirt from paws, ears, and other areas, ensuring your pet's coat stays clean and fresh. This helps reduce dryness, itchiness, and unpleasant odors. The wipes feature a hydrating formula. Infused with lavender, vitamin E, and cucumber extract, they nourish and hydrate your pet's skin. This leaves them feeling comfortable and refreshed. Each wipe is 8 inches by 9 inches in size, providing ample coverage. They are durable enough to tackle tough dirt, yet gentle enough for sensitive areas. You can trust them to be safe and effective. Available in both scented and unscented varieties, these wipes offer versatility. They are perfect for cleaning and deodorizing, leaving your pet refreshed from head to tail. Choose the option that best suits your needs. The wipes come in a compact, resealable pouch. This makes them ideal for use at home or on the go, perfect for hikes or trips. They are convenient and easy to carry. What we like? This product offers deep cleansing, perfect for removing dirt and odors. If you have a pet that loves to get dirty, or if you are looking for a gentle yet effective cleaning solution, you should consider this. It's designed to keep your pet refreshed from head to tail. What people say? They're very good quality and hold up without tearing. They also keep their moisture for a very long time. One towel is enough to moisten up an entire cat. They're super gentle, don't have a strong smell, and the aloe vera keeps his skin hydrated without causing any further irritation. The wipes are a good size, thick, and stay moist, perfect for wiping down paws, ears, or any spots that need a quick clean. Number 4. Wet Ones Cat Wipes, Fresh Scent and Aloe Vera. Keep your cat feeling fresh with these new wipes, specially made for cat hygiene. They are designed for multi-purpose use, perfect for maintaining cleanliness and comfort for your furry friends. These versatile wipes are ideal for daily cat fur cleaning and grooming. Use them to clean and maintain your pet's coat and skin in a simple, effective way. Combat unpleasant odors with these scented wipes, leaving your pet smelling clean and fresh. The wipes provide a pleasant scent, ensuring your cat feels and smells its best. The wipes come in a 50-count canister that's easy to open and reseal, keeping each wipe moist and effective. They are the perfect addition to your pet cleaning supplies for quick and hassle-free use. These wipes include aloe vera to help nourish and moisturize your cat's skin and coat. Choose these wipes for a soothing clean that leaves your pet feeling healthy and comfortable. What we like? These wipes are designed for multi-purpose use, ensuring your cat's cleanliness and comfort. If you like a simple, effective way to maintain your cat's coat and skin, this is a great choice. It also includes aloe vera, which will leave them feeling healthy and comfortable. What people say? These were easy to use to wipe off my cat. Great for cleaning kittens who don't yet bathe themselves and great for cleaning grown cats' heads they can't reach well. No residue left on fur. Safe for cat's face and bottom. Easy to use. The scent is quite light and the furry princesses do not mind being cleaned with the wipes. Number 3. Vetnique Labs Furbliss Pet Wipes. Introducing Furbliss Pet Wipes, designed to keep your furry friends clean and fresh. These wipes are perfect for daily use, ensuring your pets always feel their best. These wipes are hypoallergenic, unscented, and free of harsh chemicals. They are safe for your dog or cat, making them a great addition to your pet grooming routine. Enriched with aloe vera, vitamin E, and natural deodorizers, these wipes provide gentle cleansing. They are great for travel or everyday use. These wipes are gentle on sensitive areas yet effectively eliminate tough odors. Perfect for that stinky or dirty dog or cat. These thick, soft wipes are designed specifically for pets. Use them all over their body, including paws, face, ears, belly, and rear end, to keep them clean and smelling fresh. What we like? This product is alcohol-free and eliminates tough odors. If you're looking for a hypoallergenic option that's gentle on sensitive areas, this is a great choice. It's perfect for keeping them clean and smelling their best. What people say. Moist wipes, safe for dogs and convenient. Seals okay. These made kitty bum cleanup so much easier. The wipes are great for my cat. He gets really dirty when he goes outside. He loves them, like he's getting a massage. Number 2. PUPMATE pet wipes for dogs and cats. These PUPMATE wipes go beyond cleaning. They are designed to make your pet feel clean and refreshed. Use them to clean their butt, eyes, ears, and paws. Made with aloe vera and vitamin E, these wipes are gentle on your pets. Vitamin E helps maintain healthy skin, showing our commitment to your pet's well-being. The wipes are 7.9 by 6.3 inches, perfect for paws and buttocks. They are made with a triple layer thickness, offering strength and a comfortable touch. They are designed to pamper your pet without causing any scratches. Choose from aloe vera or original fragrance. Chamomile extract, vitamin E, and a balanced pH ensure no discomfort for your pets. You can tailor the wipes to suit your furry friends perfectly. The wipes come in a moisture-sealed box to protect them from dust and light. They are ready for use anytime, whether you're at home or on an adventure. These wipes are an indispensable resource for your pet's joy. What we like. These wipes are crafted with a gentle formula, including aloe vera and vitamin E. If you are looking for a product that offers a balance of cleaning and care, you should consider this. It's designed to deliver nourishment and care with each use. What people say. The size is generous, the smell is clean, not overpowering. Best part of these wipes are the container. It's hard plastic, it has a lid that closes tight and the wipes stay moist. The fabric wipes are soft to touch, moist but not dripping wet or too dry, and the package is clean, adorable, and well designed. After a couple of wipes her fur is shiny and soft and fluffy again. The scent is very subtle and didn't bother her at all. The wipes are not terribly damp and didn't leave her wet. Number 1. Petazy Dog and Cat Wipes, 400 count, lavender scent. These deodorizing wipes offer a quick and easy way to clean your pet. You can use them on their ears, fur, paws, and around their eyes. It's tough on odors, but gentle on your furry friend. Made with organic ingredients like avocado and aloe, these wipes are designed to keep your pet happy and healthy. They are hypoallergenic and alcohol-free, making them safe for daily use. Each pack contains 100 wipes, and there are 4 packs in total, making it easy to store them wherever you need. The flip-top lid keeps the wipes moist and fresh, and the large size means you won't need to use many. These wipes are infused with a relaxing lavender scent to give your pet a great grooming experience. They are perfect for use at home or when traveling, leaving your pet smelling fresh. Petazy guarantees your satisfaction. If you're not happy with the product, reach out to us, and we will help you. From start to finish, they are committed to your happiness. What we like. These wipes are made with organic ingredients and come in an extra large size. If you are looking for a convenient way to freshen up your pet and remove dirt, you should consider them. The lavender scent will leave your pet friends smelling their best. What people say. The wipes are the perfect size for cleaning my kitten. They are unscented, which is great. They are gentle enough to use on a kitten's sensitive skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.